Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. This week, wow, I'm very busy. So, if you can look at my trade behind me, it's just a handful of trades. Well, like a previous video, I was sharing, if you are busy, alright? If you are busy, then don't ever get yourself into a state that you are going to get busy at the same time you are going to get into the MT4. Never mix MT4 with your busy schedule together. It will only give you one outcome, and that is losses. Losses, which is something that we do not wish to see. So, in order to keep my consistency, I promise myself and I force myself to stay away from the MT4. That is why there's only a handful of trades. Okay, so all these trades, the sharing of the trades here is not important. Okay, so important here is that I want to tell you what I've experienced during my beginner stage. Well, so during that stage, you know what happened is that when I get a few trades, which is positive trades, and I got TP again, TP once again and again and again, and you know, complacency will start to step in. Correct? Complacency, huh? Okay, so the thing is that once the complacency starts to step in, either you don't check the chart or you bring the greed in. You bring the greed in, huh? Greedy. Okay, start to get greedier. Alright, so I was thinking, okay, if I'm going to enter the same way with a bigger lot size, okay, not having to wait for my plan, my financial plan, I will want to escalate faster. So I want to pump in a bigger lot size. Well, things like this. For example, let's say I remember that was in the past, like example 1000 USD account, okay, and I was trading 0.01, okay, and I get a lot of TPs along the way, and then I start to escalate to 0.02, escalate to 0.5, you know, and finally one fine day I was like, okay, I just pump in one lot. Oh, 1000 for one lot. For example, okay, take into consideration of today's pricing. Let's talk about Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. So and the average price, okay, of 1 pip is 10 USD. So I want to get 5 pips, am I right? I want to get 5 pips. So when I pump in, it went down to my 5 pips and I got my TP. Happily got my $50 USD back home in my pocket. Happy. Yes, very happy. Guess what happened? Okay, when things start to retrace upwards against me, okay, and it went about 8 pips, 10 pips, and maybe 15 pips, I was like, oh shit, man, I'm losing $80, $100, $150. Oh, holy shit, man! Oh my god, I'm really, oh no, you know. So I was like, okay, I cut off the trade. Okay, when I cut off the trade, immediately, not long after, it went back and it zoomed down to my TP point and went even deeper down. Oh, I was like, holy, what have I done? So when I check back the chart, where did I go wrong? You know, when I check back, did I enter correctly? Then I realized because of the thoughts, every day I want to earn $50, every day I want to earn 50 USD, every day 50 USD, and it just got into me the anxiety to enter for a trade, and I just want to pump in the trade and okay, leave it, and taking the consideration that I will get my TP and I'm going to make my $50. Oh, but this time around it's not. Then when I check back, I want to check where did I go right? Okay, which part of the entry point did I do it correctly? So when I check back, holy, I enter at the support. Oh my god. Then you know what? When it retraced against me for about 8 pips, I remember that was like 8 to 11 pips. I was like looking at the amount. I want to make $50, but now I'm losing $100, $110, and I was like, where did I go wrong? At that point of time, I was like, I think it's not very right. The amount is exceeding my expectation, you know? So I was like, oh no, oh no. Oh, I get the anxiety get onto me and creep everywhere, all over me. I was like, oh my God. Okay, so I was like, okay, since I got the wrong trade, okay, I want to cut the trade without any more checking. So I cut the trade and it went down. You know what? It went down and it went about 30 over pips. And I only won 5 pips, it exceeding my expectation, which is common. But the bad thing is, I check on my entry. I know it's wrong. Okay, it's a bear market. Like yesterday, Aussie dollar. Yeah. So it was like it's a bearish market. So I was thinking it should break the support, and it should continue the run. And anyway, it has not break the. It will break to another lower support. I mean, okay. But I know that I checked that, okay, I enter at the first support, which is quite a weak support. Okay, I should give a little bit of time that it will break the support. But that phrase, because of the anxiety of the lot size go against me, and I got so confused. I was so lost. I forgot to check the resistance, and I just decided to cut the trade. Okay. All right, I'm being very decisive, that's right. Okay, so I cut the trade. But after that, when I check back again, the resistance was only about 12 pips from my entry. So why should I cut my trade at the resistance when I'm selling? I should check first whether will it break the support. Will it break the resistance? Then I decide to cut. Am I right? That's what I always practice. However, because of the lot size, but I didn't focus on the lot size, I focused on the amount that exceeded my expectation. Okay, my expectation is that once I enter, it will go straight to my TP. That's my expectation. But I've forgotten the expectation to manage my expectation in the way that I should give some space for it to float, and then I decide whether to cut or not. Am I right? Because of the amount, the dollar amount, the dollar value has actually crept onto me, create a lot of anxiety that make me so lost. Then in the end, I just cut the trade. I was thinking that I'm so decisive. Decisive, yes, but without a valid reason. So I cut the trade, it went down. Then after I checked back, it hits on the resistance and then it comes back down. Then the resistance was about 12 pips away, 13 pips away. Yeah, vaguely I remember that. Okay, so you see, the point here is that when you are trading, number one, over lot size, 1,000 over dollars with one lot, it is very, very big. Too big, okay? Secondly, I focus too much on the dollar value that will actually create the anxiety in me. Do you have the same problem? Have you encountered the same experience before? I believe you do. Okay. So in a way, there's something in me that really caught me. And I was just thinking, okay, where is the problem? The problem, is it because of my entry point? Or is it because of my anxiety? Or is it because of my mindset? I would say no. In this video, the issue is the lot size. So if you are focusing to trade on the dollar value, sometimes it will give you a lot of anxiety. It gives you a lot of, it's not excitement anymore. It's become anxiety, a lot of stress. And it will make a very hasty and a wrong decision. So the dollar value is the main cause? No, it's the lot size. The lot size is the main cause. So we should actually manage our lot size carefully, manage our lot size within our means, not our means, the pot means, okay, which is the account balance, to balance out the risk and reward. When we talk about risk and reward, the very first thing is talking about the amount of balance in your pot. versus the amount of lot size that you're going to pump in. So this is very important, you know. So we have to balance out in order for us to fit in the strategy that we are actually investing. In example, I'm going for 5 pips. So this 5 pips trading, it doesn't mean that I have to pump in a big lot size to capture the 5 pips to have the equivalent dollar value as in a 1 lot. Okay, so not necessary. So I have to manage the lot size very well, you see. So the lot size, not just about that kind of risk management, but it's also to counter yourself so that you can trade in a peace of mind, with a peace of mind at ease, so that you know you still have some holding power. You have enough holding power to reach the resistance, whether to cut the trade or not. You have all the holding power. So lot size is very important. don't trade forex like me in the past. Wow, I make 20 sets of TP and I want to escalate faster in my financial plan, so I increase my lot size bigger than before. That will actually give a lot of setbacks. Alright guys, so remember this lesson that I shared with you. Alright, so in order to have all these results here, again, please remember there are plenty of things that you need to do back end, at the back of this video, at the back of the trading platform, so that you can perform well, so that you can present the result well. Alright, so over here, in sharing this video, I hope you like my sharing. Remember to give me a like, subscribe, and ring up the bell. Alright, so I shall see you again in the next video. Remember to stay updated. Okay, right, shall see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you.